What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Khan Academy in your daily lives. First, what you do is you go into your Discord server and type in, I am going to use Khan Academy in my daily life. Next, what you do is you type in Khan Academy. But first, before we get any further, I have to tell you something. If you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 minutes, this guy will get you. He's gonna get you, he's gonna throw a bomb at you. Okay, going on. So when you get in this screen with a hot babe, you click sign up. You are obviously a parent. Sign up with email. And my email is a cool kid at gmail.com. My first name is John G. My last name is GHFJKGDK. Is my password. After you signed up, it will take a long time. And now you'll be in your account. So, here is my username, John G GHFJDK. I can add my kid, but I don't have a kid. So first, what you can do is go to kindergarten, because you are a kindergarten parent. Now you can do all these amazing lessons on kindergarten and stuff like that. 2,900. But what you always want to know is how to type in inequality. So then click the first video. It is the best video. If you can play that, then that means you are the boss. Thank you very much for watching. And remember to like and subscribe, or else this guy will get you. Alright, see ya.